morning. We'd like to check in, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wow. We're finally here in Hong Kong.
I can't wait to explore this city. It must be really fun.
We're not here to have fun. We have jobs to do, remember?
Yes, of course. Our job is to write a tourist guide about what to eat and what to do in this city.
Do you have the research I asked you to do earlier?
Oh, here you are.
Places to eat in Hong Kong?
Can we get something to eat? I'm really hungry.
What's Dai Pai Dong?
Dai Pai Dong.
Dong?
Pai Dong.
The dong? The Dai Pai Dong?
Oh, I know. Dai Pai Dong. Ding dong dong ding dong. Dai Pai Dong.
What is a Dai Pai Dong? Where can we find one? What kind of food do they serve there? Where are you taking me?
Dai Pai Dong. Dong dong ding dong ding dong. Don't worry, I know where it is. Ah, look, follow me. Haha.
What? Here? Why?
Dai Pai Ding Dong. Come on. Dai Pai Dong. Dai Pai Dong. We're going to the Dai Pai Dong. Dai Pai Dong. Dai Pai Dong. Dai Pai Dong. Go Dai Dong. Dai Pai Dong. We're gonna go to the
This is a music store. Why are we here?
Why is there no food here? Isn't this a place to eat?
What's happening here?
Why is there no food here? Isn't this a place to eat? Hang on. Excuse me. Is there food here?
What? Food?
We're looking for food, like noodle cup.
We don't have food.
What's happening here?
This woman says they don't have food here.
Of course not. This is a music store. Why would we sell food here?
Is this a Dai Pai Dong?
What? A Dai Pai Dong? Of course not. Our name is Ding Dong, a music store.
So then why do you think this is a Dai Pai Dong?
Ding dong, it's the name of the shop. And dong means sound and music.
I'm afraid you've got it all wrong. In Hong Kong, a dong means a stall. Do you want to go to Dai Pai Dong?
Yes. Where can we find one and how can we get there?
Okay. Why don't I draw you a map? This is where we are.
This is where we are.
Turn left.
And turn left.
Go down the hill.
Go down the hill.
Go next to the supermarket.
Go next to the supermarket.
And we're right next to the supermarket.
And we're right next to it.
We're in Dai Pai Dong finally.
So what do you have here?
Toast with milk and jam and milk tea.
Milk tea. What does it taste like?
It's sweeter than English tea and it's milkier.
Milkier.
係鴛鴦多咩？攤蛋 ，OK。
Excuse me, what is this?
鴛鴦
Yin Yuan, what's Yin Yuan? Duck? This drink is made of duck?
Hey, this is Yin Yang, a special kind of drink from Hong Kong. It's a mixture of tea and coffee together.
Oh, thank you. Tea and coffee mixed together? I've never tried that before.
Me too.
Guy,
係
send you one Yin Yuan.
哦，鴛鴦
Yes. Oh, one. I think. Yeah. Ying Yern. Duck drink. Oh, Ying Yern. Ying Yern! Thank you. It tastes nice.
Dai Pai Dong is an open food stall, usually on a street, where traditional Hong Kong food like tea, yun yang, coffee, toast, macaroni, instant noodles are served. It is generally cheaper and faster than eating in a restaurant. However, it is also hotter and noisier than a restaurant.
Is it good?
Tastes good.
It does.
Yeah.
Milk tea tastes good.
It's really, really good. What about the sandwich?
To the Dai Pai Dong. What are we gonna do now?
A tram ride is worth a try. Where can we take one?
Are you planning to go on a tram ride? You like it? Have you got your octopus with you?
Octopus for a tram ride?
This is such a lively market. It's more fun than shopping in a supermarket.
I better write this down in my notepad.
A wet market is an open market in Hong Kong that sells all kinds of fresh meat, vegetables, fruit, and fish. There are both wet food and dried food. It is bigger than a supermarket, but it is more crowded and noisier than a supermarket. Excuse me, can I have an octopus, please?
咩話？咩 pass 話？唔知你講乜？
An octopus. A sea creature with 8 legs.
Here's an octopus.
Oh, yeah.
哦，八爪魚係嘛？
Yeah.
Yes, octopus with 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octopus has 8 legs.
How much is it?
100。
Thank you. Now we can go for a tram ride with an octopus.
But why do we need an octopus?
Okay, we've got our octopus.
Yeah, go, go, go.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
What a fantastic ride.
It's such a great way to see around Hong Kong. Tram is a means of transport on Hong Kong Island. It runs on tracks and electricity. Tram is one of the oldest and slowest means of transport. It is a great way for tourists to see Hong Kong on a tram ride. Woo! Yeah!
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Awesome.
Oh, thank
you. What are they using to pay for the fare?
They're not using cash. How much is it? Can I use cash?
Cash or octopus? Oh, I have the octopus!
No, not this octopus.
This is an octopus card. You can put money in it to pay for transport fares. If you don't have one, you can also pay by cash.
Oh, this octopus card. Oh, thank you.
What am I going to do with an octopus?
This is so embarrassing. Why did you buy an octopus? You should have done your research on Hong Kong transportation. An octopus card is a store valued card that you put money in to pay for most kinds of public transport. It can also be used in supermarkets, convenience shops, pharmacy stores, etc. It is more convenient than using cash. Be a good cover shot.
Sasha, I can't walk any further. I'm so hungry. Let's get something to eat.
Food is always your first concern.
Look, what's he eating?
Ooh, it looks delicious.
Excuse me. What is that you're eating?
Egg sun.
Egg sun? The sons of eggs?
Or egg sun?
No.
Over there? We can get it over there?
Okay, all right, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Egg sun.
Oh, look, there they are. What is this?
雞蛋仔
What? 雞蛋仔？
係啊，好食又好味㗎。
好味好食㗎。
Oh, okay, one. Yes, please.
Wow.
多謝。
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Oh, it's really yummy. I like it.
I know what this is called.
What?
It's called bubble waffle. It's similar to the English waffle, but is shaped like a bubble.
Bubble waffle? What a cute name.
Hey, there's some more food over here. Let's go try it. Come on.
What is this one?
沙豆腐。
炸豆腐? Oh, yeah, can we try one?
All right, thank you. Thank you. You want to try this one?
No. Try this one. I'm so full, I can't eat any more.
I love Hong Kong. There's so much to do and see.
And so much to eat. Street food is a type of fast food that you can get while you are on the go. They are sold in street food stalls. Some of the famous traditional Hong Kong street food is fish balls, bubble waffle, sticky rice pudding, roast chestnuts, etc. Eating street food is cheaper and faster than eating in restaurants.